Okay, so here in the front, we have our main entrance, and as you can see, people can walk by and see what's happening. And as you come in, you're immediately greeted by our small classroom. And this will be a space where we have tables, we have projector screen, we have whiteboard. And the idea is that we can learn in this small classroom, but also show the world what we're doing here. Right? We imagine to have this space as a writer's workshop, a poetry slam, a seminar, a talk, whatever it is. I love that this space is wide open. You can just feel like you are contained, but also connected with the outside. And what's awesome as well is we have Ding Ding Art Space right across the street, which is an art museum, gallery, that is a good neighbor of ours. And I love that we can just come here and write, be inspired, go over there and look at art and be connected and be inspired as well. Over there on that side, we have三育国小天母国中. Also, kids go after school, they can come here to learn, they can walk past here, they can come here to study for themselves. I just love that this space is so open with so much light and feeling like you can just be here and be inspired. Next, we have the office area. And what's really cool about this office area is it used to be an interior designer's office. She sat here and she had her faculty and staff sat around here. But what this means for us is we have chairs for people that want to come in and work. The office, unlike the small and big classrooms, are much more contained, much more private. It feels like the time where you get inspired, and after you get inspired, you need to come down and do the work. And I think this area is perfect for that moment where you need to sit down and get working. You know, whenever you need to talk to someone, you just lean over and be like, hey, what do you think about this? I love the fact that we have both wide open spaces, but also small and contained private areas. Now, in the back here is our big classroom and also lounge area. As you can see, it's a work in progress. We have some furniture come in, but more will come in. So over here, you can see that we have our big classroom. Our big classroom is where we have our larger classes, we can have musical performances, we'll be having poetry slam nights, we can have wine nights, yoga classes. I love that this space has so much light as well, but overall we can have all kinds of activities happen here, while that area we'll have a large wooden table and it'll be our kitchenette and lounge area where people can gather around the table, snack and eat on things, make themselves some coffee or tea. This is what the back area is like. It's kind of an incubation area for great ideas. Overall, I think this space has a kind of charm and beauty because you can be in the front, be out in public, you can be in the back, be kind of tucked away and coming up with more private, more intimate settings. You can be in the office area and work on your individual work. There's a lot of flexibility in this space and want to encourage that possibility of all three levels of work through awareness, creativity, teamwork, and action. Finally, one last thing, Acta will be formally opening its doors to the public in June. So be on the lookout for that message. Can't wait to see you guys here.